Today we're diving into something that looks straight out of a fairy tale: wire-trained fruit trees, also known as espalier. Trees that grow flat against walls, produce insane amounts of fruit in the tiniest spaces, and look like living sculptures. Is this ancient wizardry, or is it something any of us can actually pull off? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we turn ordinary backyards into absolute masterpieces. Picture perfectly shaped apple and pear trees hugging a wall, heavy with fruit. Now picture the same thing happening in ancient Egypt over 3,000 years ago. Yes, really. Tomb carvings from 1400 BC show fig trees trained flat against walls to beat the desert heat. The Egyptians were already doing this. Jump to medieval Europe. Monks noticed that fruit trees pressed against warm monastery walls ripened faster and produced sweeter fruit than anything growing out in the open. The stones soaked up sun all day and released heat at night, creating a secret microclimate. One clever French monk in the 1600s took it further. Father Legendre started stretching wires between posts and tying branches horizontally. Suddenly, monasteries had orchards that looked like works of art and fed everyone through winter. Word spread. Louis XIV demanded hundreds of espaliered pears at Versailles just to flex on visiting nobles. From castles to cottages, Europe went nuts for it. People started whispering, how are they making trees grow like this? Is it magic? Spoiler, it's not magic. It's ridiculously clever science. Here's what actually happens. When you force branches to grow horizontally instead of up, two insane things occur. First, the tree panics a little and throws everything into making fruit instead of wood. Second, every single leaf gets direct sunlight and perfect airflow. Result? Up to 30% more fruit, bigger, sweeter, and almost zero disease. You can grow an entire apple or pear orchard on a single 10-foot wall. People in cities grow peaches on balconies because the wall tricks the tree into thinking it's 2 climate zones warmer. So how do you do it? Pick a sunny south-facing wall or fence. Sink sturdy posts every 8 feet, run heavy galvanized wire horizontally every 12 to 18 inches. Plant a 1 or 2-year-old whip, basically a stick with roots, right at the base. Chop it down to about knee height. Yes, it feels brutal, but trust me, in spring, new shoots explode out. Pick the best ones and gently tie them to the wires with soft twine. Anything growing straight up, snip it off. Do this every summer and winter, and the tree slowly turns into whatever shape you want. Fan, candelabra, W, whatever. Best trees for beginners? Spur-bearing apples and pears. Avoid cherries and plums at first. They hate being bossed around. Myths busted real quick. It's impossible for normal people. Wrong. I killed my first one too. Second one is now loaded with fruit. The tree suffers. Nope. It's actually stronger and lives longer when done right. You need a palace. I've seen them thriving on apartment balconies and tiny side yards. So, is it myth or magic? It's neither. It's one of the oldest, smartest gardening hacks on the planet, and it still works perfectly today. If this just blew your mind and you're ready to turn a blank wall into fresh fruit, do me a massive favor. Smash the like button right now. Every single like helps this video reach more people obsessed with growing their own food. And if you want more secrets like this, next week we're doing something even crazier. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss it. Drop a comment, myth or magic, and tell me what fruit you'd grow on your wall. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. Let's keep growing together. See you in the next one.